Okay, so we have Eva, Sarvi, and don't do that. You never know when somebody joins. Okay, so we have Eva, Sarvi, and Pani. Today being Tuesday, let's start with the tables and see how much of tables you guys are. How much you guys remember. So start with Eva. Okay. Table till alright. So table till 15. 14 4
I said 13.
13, okay. 13 4
56.
52. 13 8
104.
12 9
108.
2 4
8.
12 9 108. 12 9 I repeated my question again. 13 5
65.
8 9
72.
7 7
49.
9 8
32.
12 7
84.
Wonderful. All right. So let's go to Divyans. I'm just going alphabetical order, okay? Okay. Divyans table till
11.
11. 4 8
47.
8 8 9 7 7 9 8 7 9 63. So, see, you guys know table till 11, 12, some of you know 13 also. But the point here is, till 10 or 11, we should be rock solid. What it means, Divyans, Zan, Sarvi, Anika, everybody, okay? That make sure that till 11, we are rock solid. And you guys already know it, just about practicing it. So, Divyans, 5 minutes till it, okay? Alright, let me go to Dia now. Dia, table till 12, 5 9
5 eyes.
45,
45.
7 6
47.
8 8
65.
5 8
40.
12 9
108.
8 7
36.
9 9
81.
6 9
54.
12 5
61.
6 8
6 8. 48.
12 6
77.
Good job. Let me go to Pani. Pani, table till
Table to top.
5 7 ja.
5, 7, 35,
6 5 ja.
30,
8 3 ja.
8, 3, 24,
24 9 9 ja.
9, 9, 8, 81,
12 5 ja.
12, 5, 60,
12 8 ja.
12, 8, 12, 8,
Mhm. 96
96,
yeah. So you guys already know the tables. That is not a problem. What we need to do is practice it a little bit more. Okay. Every day 5 minutes. Okay. Everybody. I'm not saying Pani. I'm not saying Divyans. I'm not saying Zen. I'm not saying. Where did Divyans go? Did I scare him or not? He got dropped off. I'm sure he'll join back. So I'm not saying anybody in particular. It is for everybody. Okay. All right. So let's go to Aniket. Aniket, Templeton. Unmute and talk to me. Don't keep talking to the mute button. I cannot hear you because you are muted right now. Even if you shout with the mute button on, I cannot do anything about it. Okay, let me go to Aniket. You get your microphone thing fixed. Your voice is not coming through. You are muted right now. With mute, I cannot do anything. And let me go to Anika in the meantime. Anika, ready? Table till 13, 12 4 just.
84,
48.
48,
13 6 just.
78,
9 9 just.
81,
12 6 just.
72,
9 5 just.
45,
12 8 just.
96,
13 7 just.
91,
12 8 just.
96,
Good job. So Mr. Zen, stay calm. Everybody take a deep breath. In the class, nothing to distract yourself. If you guys want to practice this with a 50-year-old man, it's okay. Take a deep breath. That will get your concentration back. That doesn't help, tap one of your nose and breathe slowly. Release from the other nose. Again. No, there's nothing to laugh then. I'm just helping you concentrate, okay? If any of you keep getting distracted, trust me, I'm just talking to air. And air doesn't learn math. Okay? I want everybody to stay serious. We will have fun, but without distraction, okay? Alright, so anybody getting distracted, you do this without making any sound, you'll be able to focus back. Alright, let's go to Sanvi. Sanvi has been waiting for some time. Sanvi, table till
12,
12, 8 8 jar,
64,
9 5 jar,
50,
45.
no, 45,
7 7 jar,
49,
12 5 jar,
60,
7 8 ja.
7, 8, sorry. 56.
9 7 ja.
63.
12 9 ja.
108.
Good job. So let's go to Zan, who was having so much fun so far. Table till
12.
12. 5 5 ja.
20.
5 5 20. When did that happen? 25.
25.
2 8 ja.
16.
3 9 ja.
27.
7 9 ja.
63.
12 5 ja.
60.
11 9 ja.
108.
11 9 ja.
Oh wait, what?
12 6 ja. 12 10 6.
72.
Good job. Okay, so Anika, you can go on mute, beta. And everybody stays on mute. And whenever you have to ask questions, you raise your hand and ask questions. That's the protocol we follow. Now, whatever we will do in the class, there is nothing going to be new for you guys. For Zan and Divyan, something could be new. Everybody else has been dealing with these problems in the past. So right now our focus is this. We want to make sure that we are very clear with respect to multi-digit multiplication, multi-digit division, and then from division we go to converting things to decimal. Okay? So I will give, see again, you guys will think that I am a ghost who is not letting anybody go. And that is true. Teachers are like ghosts only. They will not let you go or not let you relax till he or she feels that everybody in the class has become a champion in those concepts. So I will give you guys two problems real quick. One is multiplication, one is division, and then third one is, so I said two, but I'm actually giving you three problems. And let's see how you guys are doing it. Before I get started, is everybody able to see the screen okay? Full screen? Now if I write something, Mr. Aniket, can you take that stupid thing out of your head? I don't want anybody to play with emojis. I don't want anybody to play with profiles or any background stuff. Stay focused for 1 hour. You guys have to tolerate me for another 45 minutes. And that's the only way you guys can learn, okay? And keep your video on. Aniket, no, that is not acceptable return, okay? Everybody has to keep the video on. Your audio is not working. If you turn your video also off, that means you are just wasting your time with me. And I will not let anybody in the class waste time. At least for 1 hour that you are spending with me. Now, if I write something here, tell me if you guys can read whose name I have written here. Whose name is written on the board? Can you guys read it? Yeah. Go ahead. It is Divyansh's name, that's why he's raising his hand. Yeah, okay. So I was just checking if you guys can see the screen. Now, let me give you guys three problems. 439 to be multiplied by 164. And there is nothing difficult with this problem. If you do it carefully, you will get it right. If you keep juggling with multiple things, you will get it wrong. That is my guarantee. Now, 3742, I want to divide by 9. That is second problem. Okay? And there is a third problem also where I want to divide 2 by 7. So there are 3 problems to solve. And I am giving 3 problems for a very valid reason. So Mr. Aniket, Divyans, Zach, where did Zan go? Zan, everybody here. These 3 problems to be solved in next 5 minutes. Or I'll give you guys 1 minute extra, 6 minutes. Only clue I can give you guys is, this one is regular multiplication, this is regular division. Only clue I can give you guys is, when you solve this one, you will get no remainder. When you solve this one, you will get remainder. Or you will have to use the chicken egg. Whoever knows chicken egg will be able to do this problem. Whoever doesn't know is going to learn it today one more time. I mean, whoever doesn't know will learn it today for the first time. So, multiplication, division are the division problem. I want you guys to do it real quick. Everybody has 6 minutes to be precise. Have fun.